Hello everyone, a good day to all. This is indeed a good day because for the past days we have been having rains, but on this particular day, God blessed us with a beautiful day. So this is a day of blessing, this is a day of inspiration, and most of all, this is a day of hope. Each one of us, we all have stories to tell, but the children's stories are now in the paintings that you have here presented behind you at this hall.
Pero God is so good. Bigla na lang napunta yung usapan namin sa charity. Tapos bigla na lang po akong umiyak. Umagulgol na lang ako nang hindi ko siya kilala. Parang pinadala ang Panginoon sa anyo ni Sir William. Tapos sinasabi sa akin na, yan yung gagawin mo. Gusto mo ba akong i-glorify? Yan yung gagawin mo. Pinapakita ko sa iyo ngayon kung anong pwede sa lahat ng mga biyaya na natatanggap mo.
Part of this community. Thank you for carrying our children in your hearts. We are not just supporting art, we are creating lifelines. Thank you for being our children's lifeline.